And it's not about reaching up saying, oh, I'm the squeaky wheel, I'm not doing anything, but I'm the loudest one. No, I'm talking about reach up by showing them numbers. At least what you can control, reach up by showing them activity. I'm gladly willing to help anybody who's putting in the effort. Even if they're not getting the results, I can help them tweak what they're doing to get better efficiency and better effectiveness. As long as they're putting in the effort, I'll work with anybody that's doing that so that they get the results. I think it's very important delineation there. Something I heard on yesterday, I didn't go to church, sadly. Aiden woke up with a bunch of blood on his pillow, came from his nose. He's got an earache. He's been sniffing a lot or whatever, so his nose was bleeding all night. It looked like a murder scene. It was pretty weird. So I stayed home from church. Melissa was working at the nursery, so she went. I stayed home with the boys. So I watched online, and I'm so glad I did, because I could have just not. But I heard our pastor say, obedience is rarely understood on the front end, only afterwards.